Good morning to all of you. Today I want to talk about the important subject and discuss over the important subject which are necessary in the life of all among us. That topic is grace of God. How we have the grace of God more and more in our life. It is the major question before all of us. We know it very well. God is a form of energy and it permeates in our surrounding in many different forms. And the need is how we get more and more energy from the different form of God. There are many methods, many sources with which we can have the energy which is scattered around us in many different forms. The first and most effective method is contentment, satisfaction. We should be satisfied with what we have. What has given us, that is enough to survive the life on this earth. We must not desire more and more. If we desire more and more, we definitely do the mistake. And we completely remain cut off from the sources which provide our energy to make our life more beneficial, more fruitful. Then, this is the most effective methods with which we can get the grace of God more and more in our life. The things which are having now, that is enough for me. We are also having some extra things with which we can support the others. This contentment should become in our life. Second important thing is this, that our energy are in a scattered form. From morning to evening, we do most of the works which scattered our energy. It is not in concentrated form. There is need to concentrate that form of energy from the different sources and collect at a point. That makes us enabled to make the conductor more strong. Here I want to talk about the conductor through which we can get the energy from the God, from the different form of the God. Conductor, you know it very well. It is the sources with which the energy in many different forms from the higher potential body can be transferred to the lower potential body. God is definitely a body of the higher potential, having the tremendous amount of energy. That energy is needed in our life, and that can only be possible through the conductor, and that conductor is our contentment. And collection of energy from the different scattered form. Other important things which is also effective in getting the energy from the God is make our life truth and transparent. Truth and transparent means our all activities should be truth, not only for ourselves but for other self also. Other can observe, other can visualize all the activity and the result what we get from the activity. They should also be satisfied. They never think that activity will harm us and that activity is making beneficial to the particular person. This must not be done. And life should also be transparent. If we be able to make our life truth and transparent, definitely it means we are making our conductor more and more effective, more and more strong. The next important things through which we can get the energy from the God or different form of the God is to be optimistic, is to be hopeful. We should always know that God is always with us. If all the persons, all our relatives, or our dear and near, all the others neighbors may leave us alone, but God cannot make us alone. It always live with us. It always advises us, because we should know that we are alive, we are having the soul. Soul is the smallest unit of God, which always shows us the right path, give the right advice, give the right instruction. We should always feel us. We are very near to the God, a smallest unit of God, that is soul. We should we should be in a state to hear the voice of God. It means voice of soul, voice of instruction of soul, indication of soul. It always shows us the right path. This can only be possible when we concentrate our energy at a point. Other sources are also available. These sources are to support the optimistic person, the person who follow the laws of God, who follow the laws of truth. We should support with what we have. This is also important things to make our conductor more stronger, be able come in a state to getting more and more a spiritual energy, which we call the energy of God, energy from the God, or the energy from the different form of the God is also effective. We should help all those people who are doing the bad things and advising them not to doing these things, like the person who is involved in smoking, smuggling, cheating, telling lie, kidnapping, faith in bribery, and many more things like this, many more sources like this, to want to be have a person of more and more money. Here we want to talk money. Money is also form of energy. That energy can be spent over the constructing work, creative work, or destructive work. If we use that form of energy, I mean money, in constructive work means to realize the existence of God, to keep faith in truth, to keep faith in disciplined life, to keep faith in vegetarian life. This should be managed by spending the energy which is in form of money. If we are having this energy, we should spend over the others people also to make their life truth and beneficial. By doing this, we can get more and more grace of energy in form of God. So here these sources which make us stronger internally, externally, and also make us very close to the God, and we can be able to get more and more grace from the God, which make us immortal. Most of the peoples are not present, not alive now, but they are remembered, they are immortal. So the purpose of our life should be to be immortal even after the death. And if we are able to get more and more energy from the God, definitely we will also be immortal, what the other peoples had done here. If you watch the video, many thanks from my side. And if you like to know something more about any other topics, comment me. Your comment and advices will be welcomed by me. Press the bell button, subscribe and like, so that my next video, which will be fully described on the topic selected by you, will come you first. Thank you.